Good morning. So it is a sleepy Sunday. Chris is still sick, so me and the kiddos are up making our way for the day. I'm about to cook some potato soup in the Instant Pot. I've never made that before, so soup always makes you feel better when you're sick. That's the very first thing I learned in nursing school. Honest truth. Like, that and a warm hug from your grandma always makes everything better. But I'm going to start that and give him some soup and KK some soup. You want soup? Soup? She wants soup too, so I'm gonna get started on that. I'll let you know how it tastes. Well, I don't know how it tastes yet, but it looks delicious. And it was a very easy to make. I like mine a little bit thinner, so I added a little bit more milk. I don't like chunky potato soup, but this is what it looks like. Ready for a big old bowl. Instant Pot potato soup was a success. It's delicious, and me and Kinsley ate a bowl. Chris didn't feel like eating, so he just got some Gatorade. Got my pajamas on still, champagne campaign with some baby spit up, #momlife, living my truth. But we are gonna clean up the kitchen and get ready for the day. Are you chilling in your hat? Say, I'm a cool dude. I'm a cool dude. Oh, there went your eyeballs. So we are on our way to Chris's parents' house. We go there every Sunday night for dinner with them, and the kids get to play and see their grandparents, and they have a good time. And tonight we're hopefully going to watch the Vikings win, because they are now my pick for the Super Bowl. The Patriots just won. They're going back, so hopefully it'll be the Vikings playing them, and they'll kick the snot out of the Patriots, because that's what they deserve. I'm a little bit salty still from Spygate when they beat my Panthers in the Super Bowl by using all those little cheater methods that they're known for, like having a fake camera guy on the sideline so that they could get the plays that we were about to do. How you feel about that?
Whatever.
He's a Bears fan. Well, formerly a Bears fan. He's now a Panthers fan because he bought me PSL.
I enjoy
PSL.
college football a lot more than I enjoy NFL football, just to be truthful. Even though my Charlotte 49ers suck something worse than whatever, it's, I'd much rather watch a college football game any day over the NFL.
I like college too, because like the players get into the games more. It's not like, oh, let me get this paycheck. It's let me get this win for my school and my team. And that's why Peyton Manning was my all-time favorite player, because I believe that if he made less than minimum wage, he would have still played football because he loved football. So, similar thoughts?
Who, Peyton Manning, GOAT?
Yeah.
For what, quarterback?
Yep.
I don't know.
Who's yours? Jay Cutler?
Man, it's Rex Grossman. Get it right.
Oh. Your pick will probably be DA.
Who?
Derek Anderson. Or Joe Webb.
Listen, Joe Webb is the most underappreciated player in the NFL. How much you can utilize him. He can run the ball, he can catch the ball, he can throw the ball, he can return pumps, he can return kickoffs, play special teams. Joe Webb could be the most utilized guy in the game. He's not the best at any of them positions, but he could be, a good fill-in for all them positions if you need him under, a dire situation. Joe Webb, this goes out to you. If I had a beer, I'd toast to you, but you're never been appreciated enough.
So, my only fault with Joe Webb is that he went to Alabama, and I detest all things Alabama.
Joe Webb, you the man, buddy. You the man, Joe Webb. I don't care that you went to Alabama.
You should.
I don't. I don't hate Alabama like you do.
Do you hate any team like I hate Alabama?
Davidson. Davidson, they're
Shout out Steph Curry.
Steph Curry can eat it too. So, one arena he's never won at is Halton Arena in Charlotte. So, stick that up your pipe, Steph Curry. Don't ever come to the Hornets either. Never come to the Hornets. Not that
Come to the Hornets.
Not that I watch.
And I'm fully supportive of you being a partial owner of the Panthers.
No, heck no. He'd be one of these people that try to bring in Kaepernick, and we don't need garbage that causes distractions. If we don't have garbage,
what are you saying? No.
She's saying no. She don't want Steph Curry to be the owner of the Panthers or come to Charlotte. She agrees with me.
Is that what you're saying? What is KK saying? Did she say I love mommy? Yep. We just arrived and I smell steaks. It's gonna be a good Sunday supper. We're unloading children. Chris has to unload them because I can't walk and carry children with my ankle like it is very well. When we pulled up, I said, I think I smell steaks.
Yeah. He's right.
I usually am.
Oh my goodness.
Are you starting to tear everything out? Look at that face.
4 cameras working at the perfect time. Get 0% APR for 60 months plus $500 bonus.
Bye-bye.
Yesterday was a good day.
I hope it was for you. Oh, you got the helmet though.
Oh no, it was a
Those
better
are
day
for
than that.
Bo.
Ask Mommy
What else
if
you get
Bubba
down?
can have those.
Sold a milling machine.
Yeah, he
Yeah,
can
that's
have
fine.
them.
Hey, it was a better day than that.
Go give them to him.
Sold a 58 pony hat.
Go give them to Bobo.
Guy called me from the UK.
Eat his squash.
Bobo, did you eat all your food? Did you eat all your food, you big chunk?
I did.
Well, that football game turned out to be a SHIT show. Bubba, why are you scared of yourself? There's KK's head. Bubba, it's just you. It's Bubba and Mommy. It's Bubba and Mommy. Say hey. You have anything to say, Missy Missy? Tiki 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 tiki. Tiki 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 tiki.
Hello. Hello.
Can you say good night?
Night.
Say I love you.
You.
Say a prayer for him. Close your eyes. What do you say? Amen. Say it.
10. Mommy.
Bless Mommy. What about Daddy?
Daddy. Bubba. Hey.
Yeah. And then we say, Amen.
Apple.
Good job, sister. Good night from the Gewins. We're about to start
Hello.
our nighttime routine. Oh, are you clearing your throat again?
So.
Uh-huh.
So.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anything else you need to say? That your shirt says Mini Mama.
Mama, Dada, Mama.
Do you act like Mommy? Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, let's go.
Hello.
Good night from the Guen family. Say good night.
Hello.